Oh boy. Okay. Fracabu. This function right here. This is the selection region. This is a tile in that selection region. We want the largest power of 2 tile size exponent that's going to be within this region that this tile is currently over. Okay. So right here is the output. Here are some variables. Pause here to read them. We got some more variables right here. We're finding the minimum magnitude of the selection region right here. And then this is the maximum exponent and the power of 2 that corresponds to this maximum exponent. We're going to calculate the maximum exponent and power of 2 right here. Now, if we have a very big selection region, we can just max out to the maximum values here. If we have something smaller, we're going to do this algorithm here, which is going to find the power of 2 tile size that fits within this minimum magnitude. So the largest power of 2 tile size that fits within this magnitude. Yes, this is bitwise math. No, I don't have time to explain it. Okay, we're going to set up for our loop by doing this right here so that we can immediately decrement right here. We're going to go from the largest contender tile size to the smallest, looping backwards. We're going to get the GTX GTY of the larger tile size by using this math here, and then we're going to get the corners of that very large tile, and if that very large tile is within the boundaries of the selection region given to our function, then we can break out because we found the tile size exponent that satisfies the conditions of the function. Otherwise, we're going to make sure that the tile size exponent is not 0 because we should have broken out by now if that is the case. And then down here is where we return the result. Here's what we did previously, here's some footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer, in-depth explanation, you can go to this playlist here on the Ninja Coder channel. You are on the advanced playlist on the Kanji Coder channel. If you just want technical demos, you can go to this playlist on the Weeb Coder channel. And source code is here, you can email me here. I'm literally filming this 3 times in a row. There are 3 video 507s, so pick whatever works for you. Like and subscribe. I am Kanji Coder.